If you're wanting to know how to curve text in Canva in just one click, hang on for this video. Hi, my name is Jeff, and this is Always on Art, helping you design better together. So let's take a look at this great feature inside of Canva. Inside Canva, I'm going to create a new design and just go to Instagram post just to create a simple canvas. First thing I'm going to do is go over here to elements, and I'm going to type in circle, and I just want to drop in a simple circle shape. This will help me in just a moment as I apply some text. Next, I'll hit the letter T to add a new text box, and I'll make some quick adjustments. With my text box still selected, I'm going to go to Effects and then tap on Curve down here at the bottom. Canva gives me a little slider where I can adjust how much of a curve I want to apply. Having my circle shape gives me a good idea of where my curved text should be placed. Next, I'm going to hit Command D or Control D on Windows to just duplicate my text. I'll update this text box and go back into Effects and adjust my curve slider the opposite direction. Adding curved text is just that simple. Even with the curved text effect applied, I still have complete control over all of my text box options. I can change the color of my text as I want, and I can also adjust the letter spacing. Curved text in Canva has never been easier. With a simple slider, you can control the angle of your curve, and you can go back and modify that angle at any time. You can use this curved text effect for any social post or even that custom logo. This powerful feature will certainly speed up your workflow and unleash your imagination. Canva has been around for years, and curving text inside of Canva has been a long-awaited feature. It's going to make a lot of people happy. Plus, this feature is available for both the free and the pro versions of Canva. If you're brand new to Canva, there's a special link below where you can get a free trial of Canva Pro to check out. Canva Pro is packed full of features, and it is a great resource to design projects online. Be sure to check out the video where I show you how to use Canva on your phone. I'll drop a link for that too. If you got value from this video, let me know by tapping that like button, and then in the comments below, let me know how you are using Canva for your design projects. While you're there, consider subscribing. As a bonus, there is a link below where you can get my free Canva cheat sheet. I can't wait to see you in the next video.